All right, hello everybody. Welcome to my barbecue channel. This is my first video, and for my first video, I'm gonna go straight into smoking a brisket. Got a prime brisket here from Sam's Club, and I'm gonna be trimming it, seasoning it, letting it sit in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow morning I will start early with the smoking. Let's see how it goes on this first attempt. All right, now the brisket has been trimmed. Got a pretty good even cut all around. It's looking good to go. I have all the trimmings over here. I'm gonna be making tallow out of the fat. I'm gonna be using the meat to grind it up and maybe make a couple burgers out of it. Next step is to season this, and then it's going in the fridge overnight. Do a little dry brine, and be ready to go early in the morning. For the seasoning, I like to use a mixture of coarse black pepper, some coarse sea salt, and some granulated garlic. That is going to be 2 parts of the black pepper, 1 part salt, and 1/2 part garlic. So I'm gonna season this baby up, and we'll go on to the next step. All right, this baby is all seasoned up. You can see that seasoning right on there, good amount to get a good, nice bark on it. Both sides, all the sides, everything is seasoned up. I throw this on a rack and throw it in the fridge. All right, got the brisket in the fridge. The cooling rack, or the rack that it's sitting on, is a little small. I'm gonna have to get a bigger one for next time, but should do the job. It's on the top shelf here, right under the fan. Should be a good dry brine. See you guys in the morning. All right, everybody, it is almost 4 a.m. I'm about to throw on the brisket. Just want to show you all my setup here. Got offset smoker. Got the firebox here going. Some wood warming up on the side there. I'm gonna see if this fits. I'm not sure if this water pan will be fitting. I got the drip pan down there. I've got the probe telling me the temperature inside of here. It is went down a little bit since I opened it. It's at 138. I'm gonna go get the brisket ready to throw on. Hopefully this is at 250 when I get back. All right, here's the brisket. It's been sitting out for a few minutes now. I'm about to throw this on. Here's my spritz mix. I'm gonna do part pickle juice and part beef broth. Everything's set up for Father's Day. It is Father's Day. That's why I'm doing all this. All right, let's get this brisket on the grill. All right, guys, it is 4 a.m. and we got this brisket on the Barbie. Got a water pan next to it. And here we go. Time to start this 12 to 14 hour process. Dropped down a lot, but it was at 250 before that. There's my dogs in the background. All right, guys, we'll keep you updated every 30 minutes or so. All right, everybody, just wanted to give you guys a little update. It is 6:30 a.m. This brisket has been cooking for 2.5 hours now. We got an internal temp of 236. We're keeping it between 225 and 250. The meat is at 95, 92, right around the low 90s. We are using cherry wood today. I got 2 different brands. I wanted to see the difference. I haven't tried these before. I think they actually work pretty good as a combination. I think these chunks are a little small, But I got a small little grill, so I mean, it's the right size for me. I would want to use bigger ones because I have to manage this a lot more than I'd want to. I'm pretty much getting in there about every like 15 minutes. We got the propane grill here. We do not cook on this, guys. This is just to start my charcoal. I put the chimney here. Get that charcoal started real quick. It's fast and easy. And I throw it in that box. Again, we do not cook on this anymore. That was old rookie me. New barbecue king me is using this smoker here. Got that smoke, you can see it. That's a good smoke we want. Keeping it right around internal temp of 230. So it's starting to go down a little bit. Probably time to add another little chunk. I'm gonna do a little spritz here. I've been doing that every 30 minutes. Just on the thinner edges. I don't want to burn the edges, so I've been spritzing the edges, not so much the big part. Yeah, guys, it's a quick little update, and I'll keep you posted. All right, here we are with another update. I just wanted to show you guys this. Here's all the fat from yesterday's trim, and I am making the tallow. You can see that it's rendering really nicely. We got all this tallow right here. It's looking real good. Still got a ways to go. Have it on super, super low. See that it's very, very low. I think all you need is a pot, low heat, you're good to go. It's been going actually for like 2 hours now. I think maybe another hour or so and we should be done here. We're gonna use that tallow when we wrap the brisket, which is gonna be happening soon. Let me check how that's doing. Our brisket is at about almost 140 throughout. I have 2 different probes in there on different areas, so it averages out to about 138 and a half. The oven, or the barbecue temperature, is at 217. Probably need to throw in a little piece of wood soon. I've been keeping it between 200 and 250. We are going on 6 hours for cooking. It is now 10:26. We started at 4 a.m. So it's been 6.5 hours and getting close to wrapping time. I'm thinking maybe around noon or 1 o'clock we're gonna be wrapping this. All right, guys, everything's moving along nicely. Esta parte sí está caliente. Ahora sí, vamos.
Oh, wait. What is that?
Todo el sabor está en la grasa.
No, it's fast doing the
I skipped a few steps, but we are at the wrapping part.
¿De cuál?
We have the boat. It's wrapped in paper with tallow on the inside, on the outside. It's ready for the second cook. Hi everybody. Okay, so I definitely skipped a lot of steps here, but we are finally here at the finished product. I realized I do not have the right equipment or even the right size wood, so it took me almost like 21 hours to finish this thing, but I did it and it's ready to carve. So let's get right to it and see moment of truth. This thing is so juicy. Look at those juices. It is so juicy. Let me finish carving this up. Probably not the best idea to cover it with paper. This is my first time, and I've learned my lessons. And I will not be attempting this until I get the right equipment. But I gotta say, this thing came out nice. Ooh, so tender. This thing is cutting like butter. Money shot here. Almost there. This looks really good. Wow. This thing is like jelly. Amazing. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So reach the point here. Wow, this thing is falling apart on itself. I think we've reached the point here. Check this out, guys. Look how juicy this is. Delicious. Alright, well I'm gonna finish carving this up, but definitely gotta say, this was a mission. I worked way longer than I should have. Pretty much spent the entire Father's Day from like 4 a.m. till 1 a.m. the next day finishing this up. It's been in the hot box overnight. It's been resting for 12 hours now. And we are about to grub. So anyways, definitely learned some lessons here. I'll be making better videos in the future. I know I skipped a lot, but anyways, thanks for watching and have a good day, guys. Ooh.